Married at first sight, Celading has had an unpleasant brush with airport security. The reality star revealed on Wednesday she suffered an embarrassing drama after her luggage set off metal detectors on the way to Los Angeles. When you go through security, and your bag has to get searched, I remembered I had my vibrator in my carry-on, Ella, 28, wrote, sharing her tale of woe to Instagram. The brunette bombshell went on to explain she decided to tell security she was carrying a self-care device, prior to them investigating her luggage. Kid you not, I thought it was that, so I said, "I have my vibes in there, sir," she recalled. Ella was left red-faced when her luggage was opened and it was revealed her podcasting microphone had set off the detector. The reality star finished her social media purge by saying she clearly didn't need to mention her vibrator in the first place. Ella's run-in comes after she warned women not to get too attached to their sex toys. She discussed her former obsession with her favorite vibrator in the latest episode of her podcast, Sit With Us, alongside fellow Moth star Domenica Calarco. It was like a secret obsession of mine. I used to get so excited to get into bed and spend time with it, she explained. Before I would go on a date I would get off. I became addicted to it, heavily reliant on it. And the settings heavily increased, she continued. So you gotta be careful, because I basically made my clit desensitized to anything from a man, Ella admitted. It just wasn't feeling good because I got so used to the pressure and strength from the vibrator. I used it religiously for 5 years straight, 6 times a night. I had to put it away. I said to myself, you have to stop using this, because it was making it harder to be with a man with no toy. Ella says she then had to train herself to return to old-fashioned methods of achieving orgasm.